What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get started with Bullx bot. Now to do this, the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. If you guys are new, I'll provide a link in the description of this board as well, so you can go and check it out from there. Now to begin, what we can do is hit the start button, or we can simply type in /start, and once we've done that, we'll go and click on this login button to get our login link. You may be denied with the early access. For that, you guys can go and check out my other video in order to get early access of Bullx bot. And here we are logging in, and this is the main interface of Bullx. We're currently on the new pairs section where all the newly created pairs are. Now to begin, what we need to do is we can head over to this side to access our wallet manager. You can simply click on it, and once we are here, you will see the available balance in your wallet. You need to create a Bullx wallet. For that, you can simply click on new wallet, and you can get the address by clicking on add funds. Once we copy the address, what we can do is head over to our Phantom wallet or any Solana wallet we use, and we can log into that, and we can simply select this send option, select Solana here, and paste in the address we copied earlier, enter the amount that we want to send, for example 0.03. You can click on next button, and you can click on this send to confirm your transaction. That's how quickly you can deposit Solana in your Bullx wallet. Now we have completed all the initial steps in order to start trading on this platform. We can head back to new pair section, and here what we will do is we'll apply filters to these newly created pairs to sort out them even more. For that, you can head over to these filters option. These are the filters that I use and prefer. You guys can go and choose your own according to your preference. Once you have selected that, you can sort out these even more, and once you select a coin, for example here, just to show you guys, this is the main analytical dashboard that you will be using in your trades. And on the right side, you can see these buy and sell options. In order to buy, you can simply go here and type in the amount that you want to buy, and here click on this buy button. And similarly, we can head over to sell in order to sell our asset. Now I have covered all of these in details in my other videos. Well, that's all you need to know in order to get started with Bullx. Well, that's it for today's video. Drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.